morning, everyone. Today weather is really good and going for a run for the morning to work out. Yay!
She was almost 16. Natasha collapsed
Beautiful
on
weather
plane
today.
from a severe allergic reaction. She'd eaten.
Lovely day. Before run, I'm going to work out and stretch a little bit before I run. Came back from the run. Now I'm going to stretch first and we'll have some breakfast. Going to get showered now and have some breakfast. Good morning, everyone. So I'm going to have my breakfast now. I'm doing my wheat diet at the moment, so I'm going to have a cereal with granola, with milk and yogurt. And I'll put some protein powder with it to give me some energy. So this is the cereal and granola already I put on, and this is the protein shake. I'm going to put 1 scoop with it, like this. And this is the Greek yogurt that I'm using. I just pick any Greek yogurt on a deal in the supermarket every day, different one. So this time I use this one. To be honest, it wasn't really good on this one, so I just put a little bit of milk to make it softer. Before it was too thick, so I couldn't really put it in. So this is, I just pour the milk a little bit to make it more juicy, kind of. So I put some on or 2 scoops. Or if I want more, I'll just put a little bit of that. Pour the milk on the side. So let's make a cereal, but very creamy yogurt cereal bowl. It's just very simple and fast breakfast. This is.
I only need two more lessons.
Going to make a lunch with this gluten-free, milk-free tortilla wrap with tuna mayo, corn, sweet corn, and salad, and coleslaw and tomato. Put some vinegar and mayo and a bit of salt. I put lettuce, tomato, and some sweet corn, and I'm going to put some coleslaw now. And can't forget this sriracha sauce. Let me come out. Okay. That's it. Woohoo. My lunch, no wheat.
But where we can act, we will. You can't guarantee someone's going to get you in because it's that in such a situation. You have no bookings.
Said, if you're going to do something, do it
weekday breakfast is meringue pig, which is only the one wheat and gluten free. So I'll show you guys what I'm eating. Look at this, so cute. I've got the meringue pig. I ate this here. No ears now. Like gross. It's basically just a sugar. Today's snack is little berries and apples, pineapples, some fruits. This will be my lunch and some snack. No wheat again.
Turn left onto Howard's Lane.
Ay, 창피하다가도 멍석가면 바른 strawberries. Grapes. Look at this. I ripped it like that. But anyway, this is also the part of the lunch. And this is the yogurt with oat clusters, chocolate. Okay. I'm really not happy because I just tried to eat this yogurt and then this yogurt is, look how watery it is. And I spilled all of my clothes and t-shirt, look at that. I'm really not happy. So if anyone going to buy this, I don't know what's that. That's the yogurt. Be careful when you eat. I'm not happy. Nice.
Where? Where?
In the car.
Let's get you booked in whilst you're here, shall we?
What are you talking about? She's good, aren't she?
Five Guys for lunch. I got the wheat-free option, which is instead of the bread, they give the lettuce with iceberg, but I can have all the same ingredients like as a normal burger. So, which is really good for who can't have a gluten or wheat. This is the lettuce.
Anyway.
I bought the jacket potato with cheese and salad and chicken tikka for my lunch. Came for ballroom dance practice.